Hello everyone, it's Derek here, aka The Jackal. I'm a contestant in the Glycian talent competition during the month of March. Looking for some great fun. I'll be following obviously my own handicapping system that I've developed over the few years. It's going to be great fun. Follow us. Let's find you some winners and see where the month of March takes us. Maybe we can find you some great value during the month. And yeah, I'm really excited. And to all the other participants, good luck and just have fun and don't take it too seriously. It's just a competition and may the best guy win. Cheers.
Hi there, racing fans. I'm one of the contestants in the Glycian Talent Trials. My name's Bronson. I've been involved in horse racing for over 20 years. I'm an owner, punter, and most importantly a form studier. And I look forward to tipping you guys many winners along the way. All the best.
Hey guys, my name's Ashley. This is my introduction for Glycian. I'm very excited to be part of this tipping services. I've been a racehorse owner and I've been part of the game and tipping horses since I was 15. One of the best horses I've had is Golden Pheasant, who ran third in the 2018 Summer Cup. So I know a little bit about the horses and a bit of humor. So hopefully we can make this fun and I hope you can enjoy everything I have to offer, and let's hopefully get some winners. Cheers guys.
Hi punters, this is the Punter's Rabbit. Trust you all well. We're here to give you an exciting and profitable betting experience. We don't say go large or go home, we say go home a winner. Watch the space. Happy punting.
Good evening to all the Glycian viewers out there. My name is Michael Azar. It's an absolute privilege and honor to participate in the Glycian Talent Trials. I come from a racing dynasty. My great-grandfather, my grandfather have owned horses from the 1940s up. I love the game. There's nothing more that gives me pleasure than actually tipping somebody a winner or pointing someone in the right direction and they make a bit of money on a horse that I've given them. It gives me great pleasure. I love the game. I enjoy everything about it. I'm going to try and tip you the most winners that I can in the month of March. And guys, please follow me. Please vote for me in the tipping challenge. I'm going to try my best to tip you guys as many winners as possible and hope to make you guys a lot of money. Cheers. Enjoy your evening. God bless.
Hi, I'm Bianca Demont. I'm currently involved in horse racing for about 25 years. I tend to find roughies because I look for value, and my preferred centres are Cape Town and PE, where my strike rate is phenomenal.
Hi guys, Dani Liebenberg here. Firstly, just want to start by thanking Glycian for this massive opportunity. I think I speak for a lot of guys that say this is kind of a dream come true for us all. So from my side, I've been playing punting horses for about 15 years now. Just love the game, love the animals, just love the sport of it. It's kind of been my life, doing other things, but I mean studying form, do it every day, just love to do it, and just playing horses. Hopefully I've learned something. Hopefully anything I've learned I can help you guys with. I mean, punting is not easy, but hopefully what I've learned in those years can help me and you guys win some money. So cheers guys, thanks for this opportunity.